Happy Monday, guys. Naomi here with your fix for July 18th. Fans of JRPGs and pretty people, take notice. Final Fantasy XIII-2 has a North American release date, or a release month at least. The sequel will hit Western shores this coming January. Hey, that's almost this year. Almost. And according to a Swedish website that I won't even try to pronounce, Ubisoft CEO Yves Guillemot confirmed today that there are currently no plans to port Assassin's Creed Revelations to the Wii U. His exact words were, "No, not Revelations, for the future." Interesting. We're still not sure what exactly for the future means, but we'll let you know as soon as we do. Until then, rest assured that some form of Assassin's Creed is still coming to Nintendo's next console. Moving along, it seems somebody's not a Call of Duty fan, and they don't want you to be one either. Activision is attempting to seize control of ModernWarfare3.com, a domain that was found redirecting visitors to the official website of Battlefield 3. An earlier version of the site even went as far to say that Modern Warfare is crap. While neither EA nor Activision has any official ties to this campaign, that doesn't make it any less funny. I mean, offensive. Come on, guys, no laughing. This is totally not funny, right? But speaking of funny, hey Joker, Penguin, Two-Face, if you're watching this, grab a notepad. If you want to beat the bat, it turns out the answer is magic. This past weekend, Harry Potter smashed all kinds of box office records, even breaking the Dark Knight's record for the biggest 3-day opening weekend, taking in almost $170 million. Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 2 even bested the Half-Blood Prince's record for the biggest worldwide debut ever. Which leads me to wonder just how rich J.K. Rowling really is. Good for her. Anyways, that's your fix for July 18th, 2011. I'm Naomi Kyle, and be sure to get your fix anytime online here at IGN.com.